Finally, we're getting an update on the iPad Pro 2022, and it's just a matter of days now since Apple will launch a new iPad Pro lineup. There will be two models of iPad Pro we will see this year, 11 inches and 12.9 inches with the codename J617 and J620, as confirmed by Mark Gurman. This will be a bigger update since the last year, April 2021, and you can expect some of the exclusive features in it. The latest M2 chipset. Now, we have seen M2 on MacBook Air and the MacBook Pros, but now it is coming to the iPad Pro. The new chipset will offer a 20% performance boost over the last generation, although it's not a big difference as compared to what we have seen on the last generation M1 chipset, but we can expect a better performance out of it. If you're expecting a design change from iPad Pro, then this year you guys might be disappointed, since there will be little to no change in the design of the iPad Pro. Same flat edge display as we have seen on its predecessor, matching the design of Apple's other products including the mighty iPhone. Apple might surprise us with the new entry-level tablet with the USB Type-C port and a similar design just like the iPad Pro. This could be a significant update for this product over the years. The new iPad Pro versions will also feature a MagSafe charging capabilities as per reports, and for those who like reverse charging, then a good news for them as well. Apple is also planning to release a new iPadOS 16.1, the first iPad version of iOS 16. As per reports, the development is completed and we might see in the coming week. Apple delayed the iPadOS 16 update because of bugs and refinement and to work with the Stage Manager. Stage Manager is a new multitasking and windowing system for specific iPad models. As per earlier reports quoted by Ming-Chi Kuo, that we might get a mini LED display on the smaller iPad Pro 11 inches, but it seems like it is not going to happen this year. Since the Ross Young, the display supply chain consultant, confirms it's unlikely to happen that we get a mini LED display on the smaller iPad Pro 11 inches, but apparently 12.9 inches will get it, but it will likely to be the most expensive one. If you're the one who takes photos on iPad or taking Zoom calls, then you don't need to worry since we are going to get an iPhone 13 cameras in the iPad Pro this year, which is good enough for decent shots and video calls. The clock is ticking and we might see the iPad Pro in the coming days, and Apple is going to launch these devices on their website and probably there will be no event. If you want to see a shocking battery of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, then you guys should check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.